The significance of enhancing employee performance using behavior shaping nudges is emerging as a key topic in the industry today. In this regard, we have one of the companies part of SAP Startup Studio, which has developed an AI-based personal digital coach. Sounds very interesting, right? Pleased to invite you over, Ramesh Srinivas, CEO and co-founder at WorkSogo, to talk more about this solution specific to the CPG industry.
Thanks, Justin. Thanks for the chance. Hello, everyone. My name is Ramesh. I'm the co-founder of WorkSogo and also the CEO. So what I'll be talking about today is our product. And our product is a personal AI coach for field salespeople. Before I talk about what our product is, I'll come to something in our personal lives. All of us are familiar with what we do in end December, early Jan, and social media is pretty much flooded with all the resolutions that most of us keep or take at that point of time. And these resolutions are on a variety of things that we'd like to do during the year. One of the more common popular ones is about personal health, right? And we all have this resolution saying, this is the year I'm going to get a lot fitter. I'm going to make sure that I'm much more disciplined about my nutrition, lifestyle. So that's a very, very common resolution that's made by all of us over the course of the year. But come February or March, if you look back, chances are for a lot of us that resolutions kind of crumbled in a heap. And if you think about it, what are the reasons why this happens? And it's such a common phenomenon. This was also the subject of a study by a large bunch of behavioral economists who looked at saying, why is it that there's something that we want to do, we have a high intention to do it, but we aren't able to stick with it for a prolonged period of time. And they figured that the human mind is much more complex. We all know about the right side and left side of the brain, etc. But they figured that when people have resolutions like this, for instance, it's not that they don't follow it because they don't have enough information. It's not ignorance that doesn't allow them to do that. So information is enough. So most people you ask and they know enough about how much exercise to do, what to eat, what not to eat, what's junk food. So information is not scarce, right? They know all that, but it's still difficult to translate that information to action. So that really is the problem. The problem comes when you know what to do and you intend to do it because it's good for you, but you're not able to actually translate that into taking action on that. So they came to the conclusion that all by itself, giving more information is not going to solve this problem. So what is it that's going to solve? And they found one very interesting solution to this problem. That solution today is popularly called the nudge. The nudge is nothing but an external trigger. So all of this is internal for us, but we nevertheless need something external that pushes us gently into actually taking action. So the nudge is a very, very popular solution, that also a very powerful solution that helps you convert your intention to do something into action. And obviously it has its basis in a lot of behavior science. And essentially what this really does is saying, if you have to translate this in an employee context, or all of us in a professional context, it pretty much means that even in a work context, and let's say in sales is a difficult job. And on a day-to-day basis, you have to operate at a very, very high level of intensity. And again, it's back to the same thing, right? Where it's difficult for you to hit that same level of intensity every single day, not because you don't have information. And all sales technology systems provide lots of information. They provide information on time, they provide analytics around that information, they provide insight. So you're not short of information what you do, but most people are short on some days of the motivation to actually do something. So it's really this combination of the left and the right side. So what we did was saying, why don't we therefore provide a technology solution for the human motivation? And that's exactly what our product is. So our product in some sense plugs that missing piece of an employee's motivation to actually act. And why is this a major problem? It's a major problem because most studies say that the loss of productivity due to something like employee engagement or lack of motivation is as much as 40%, and 40% is a large loss of productivity. So it looked like a problem that was really worth solving. And so a group of us got together and said, is there a way that we can use cutting edge behavior science research that's there? There's a great deal of it available now in terms of saying, how do you therefore incentivize or motivate people to do something that they themselves want to do, but to do it in a way that it benefits them? So can we use this combination of behavior science and AI in order to personalize it, in order to get people to act, which means your productivity gets pushed by as much as 25 to 30%. So a group of us would work together in fairly large companies like IBM, PwC, KPMG, got together and said, let's try and solve this problem. And so we solved it technologically, and we essentially developed a product that is able to influence or to change or behavior of salespeople in a positive way, in ways by which it helps them translate their own intention into action, which benefits them. So this is a mobile enabled product. It's a SaaS product, and it's mobile enabled. The one thing that we were very particular about is we didn't want to load a salesperson with yet another product where they have to enter still more data. And like I said before, information, data, there's no shortage of it, right? There's no scarcity of information or data. It already exists in a multitude of enterprise applications that are there. And so we said, why don't we integrate with that? So we don't ask the salesperson to enter any data into our system. Instead, we integrate with the underlying CRM or Salesforce automation or ERP or DMS or a variety of other systems that are there to pick up day-to-day performance data of a salesperson. We then do some predictive analytics around that to, number one, prioritize what actions that salesperson should take every day. And number two, send the salesperson a set of notifications or nudges on the mobile that motivates him or her to act on that information and therefore to take that action. So over a period of time, based on the different types of nudges that are sent, our engine, we call that MIA, our engine learns the underlying persona of the salesperson. So in some sense, it begins to understand saying, what does the salesperson respond to? What does the salesperson not respond to? And so it gets better and better at getting them to translate the nudges into action. So that learning loop is where the ML part really comes in. So it's hyper personalized, and essentially because it personalizes it for me, prioritizes what I need to do, and tells it to me in a way that I actually take action and learns whether I take action or not. It therefore behaves or acts like a personal coach for me. And in that sense, it drives positive behaviors that enable me to do better. And as a result, enable the whole team to do better as well. We've been around for about 3.5 years. We've got 35 deployments around the country, and we've got over 80,000 employees today that are using this product across a range of large companies in the consumer space, as well as in the FMCG and BFSI space as well. So you'll see some of the large names that are in here that are our customers today. We have over 80,000 salespeople using our product. Just a quick case study, that's a published case study, which is one on Titan. And Titan Watches has been using our product for quite some time. And they published their case study in a report that Deloitte published a few years ago. I'll walk through what benefits actually come out of this, and I'll take a large CPG company as an example. But if I take a CPG company, we ran this product with them, and they looked at saying, let's measure what benefit we get out of that. And we measured the benefit along 3 dimensions, around obviously revenue, which is the final outcome, as well as input metrics, which is number of man days and the number of lines that they really sell on a day, which is portfolio or range selling. And the results were actually quite staggering. In 3 months, the sales went up by 9%. And when we drilled it down, we found that the number of salespeople who got more than 100% of their sales target went up 22%. A third increase, they found a 33% in number of users who achieved more than their target man days, and 9% increase in range selling. So this is really testament to the kind of effectiveness that just change in behavior can do. So where do we plug in? And like I said before, we are integrated with existing enterprise systems, but where is it that we plug in? And if you imagine sales technologies to be a kind of a pyramid or an iceberg, the top of the iceberg is the data information layer. It captures data, information, transactions. The layer beneath that is really the intelligent layer that does a lot of analytics and produces insights. We are the layer under that, which if you want to call it, is the human enterprise, the layer that uses the insights and the data to motivate people to do better. So that's the layer we are really in. So what really is the secret sauce for us? The secret sauce is the fact that we use a variety of different motivational methods through our nudges, and all of these are rooted in cutting edge behavior design. And sending those nudges out and understanding what types of nudges different people respond to leads to our engine finally beginning to get a feel of what is the persona, if you want to call it that, of different salespeople. So someone may be triggered by mastery, someone by competitiveness, and so on. So it begins to understand that better and better as it goes, and therefore is able to get people to take action better. So in some sense, what we are saying is we are making employees or salespeople superstars, essentially by saying we use the data information that you have. So we don't take any additional transaction. Your data is secure because we don't touch your transactions, but we use that in order to send the nudges and understand the underlying behavioral pattern. So for frontline salespeople, we are a personal digital coach. For their first line supervisors and team leaders up the line, we are a kind of a wingman that enables them to manage their teams better. And for top management, we are able to produce different types of behavioral dashboards. So this is really what we do. It's like I said, a very interesting product because unlike all products which concentrate on giving more information, better information, more timely information, we've said there's enough information out there. Let's see how we can get human beings to use that information better. And therefore looked at the behavioral side of it and said, can we trigger winning behaviors for people that help them do better? So thanks again for this opportunity.
Thank you, Ramesh, for sharing your thoughts, perspectives, and the possible use cases for this industry. With this, we come to an end to the startup presentations. Over to you, Madhav.